Now we're going to take off the blue lid. And there's going to be 4 screws, 2 on either side, okay? You got a slide here, okay? If the screws aren't exposed, you just want to slide this back and forth to expose your screws. So you got 1 there, you've got 1 right there, and you've got 2 in the same place on the opposite side.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to take my screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and take out these screws. On the ones in the front, you want to kind of be careful because there's holes here that your screws can fall in. Your screws can fall in there, so you just want to be careful when you remove those screws that you don't drop your screws in there. And we got 1 more. Move that slide over to expose that screw for me. I'll keep my hand there so that that screw doesn't fall in. And boom, we've got the 4 screws out. At this point now, you're going to take the blue lid, lift it straight up, and there's a couple of tabs right here on the chassis. These tabs right here, and you're going to stand your slides right up on those tabs there, like so.
All right.
That will, now underneath here, you've got your light block lid and your electro board. And what I want to do is take out this light block lid, okay? The only thing that's holding the light block lid in is your 4 wheels here, okay? There's nothing else holding that in. So the way you get your light block lid out is you just bend your guides a little bit and just take out those 2 wheels, and then on the other side just pull them out and your light block lid is disengaged. Okay, at this point we've got a spring here. We want to disconnect the spring, so you got to hold your light block lid down. If I let go, it's going to snap back up. So I'm just going to hold it down with my elbow and take out the screw right here. This is a very old unit, so it's a little tough. Again, I have my elbow on the light block lid so it doesn't snap back up on me. And I take that screw out, and now the spring will roll right back like that. And now I can take my blue lid off and put it to the side. At this point now, as you can see, this electro board is pretty corroded and it needs to be replaced. So I'm going to take out the 4 screws. So we've got our electro board out, and now I'm just going to disconnect it in the back here. And our electro board is out. Now we're going to disconnect this. Okay, so you just pop that off. Okay, and now this is a little tricky to get this part out, you have to kind of angle it a little bit. Okay, so you can't just pull it out, it won't. So you got to angle it a little bit
Yeah.
like that, and then push it out, and now your light block lid is detached.